you look here at row 33, this is the average transaction size per deal. So we're trending at $19 million, which is not far off from 2021 and 2022. However, keep in mind, this $19 million average transaction size has been mostly caught up by the last 4 months. So there's a very good probability that by the time October, November, December is done, we could have an average transaction size that is larger than the height of the last 10 years of the $22 million. And if you look here overall for the last 10 years, we're trending at $2.6 million per transaction, higher than the 10-year average. Okay, so really good positive information. I'm still doing some number crunching. If you have any other questions or if you have any other stats you want me to run that you're looking for, no matter the size, whether it's under 100 units or over 100 units, student housing, market rate, whatever it is, just let me know. I track all this stuff and I'll be in touch on the next one. See ya.